So guys, we are here at DJI Mega Mall branch, and today I'm excited to share with you. I got the DJI Mic 2. So we'll do a quick unboxing video lang dito para alam natin kung gumagana yung ating unit, bumubukas at kompleto yung items niya or accessories. So meron tayo. Gamitin natin yung susi. Resourceful tayo. This is something that we can use sa events and my content creation. So this is yung mga accessories niya. May case. Kasi these are the features. We'll do another video naman para dun sa in-depth. So ang ganda guys. So meron siyang case. So convenient pa siya para may lalagyanan tayo all in one. So ayan. Meron siya. Ito yung lalagyanan. So pinapress yan guys to open. There you go. Mag-o-open siya automatic. Nakalink na rin to. So we will do, we'll do another in-depth niyan para makita how it works. But when you open, so again, sarado natin, no? Pagkabukas niyan, kiklip mo to. Pagbukas niyan, automatic, nag-on na din yung unit. We have two transmitter, receiver. And this one, ikakabit mo sa phone, kakabit mo sa mirrorless camera mo. It can also be attached sa PC. So we also have adapters. This is for your Android or Type-C. And if you're still using lightning cable or yung lightning port, you can still use this. That's it. Yan yung quick unboxing review. Abangan nyo yung in-depth. Titingnan natin, itetest natin yung mic, yung range, lalo na yung range kasi isa yun sa mga features na sinabi ng DJI na mas malayo na yung range. Pero we'll do that on another video. I would like to thank DJI Mega Mall branch, si Kuya Edward, dear. Yan, tsaka si Kuya Jem, siya yung may hawak ng camera natin. So again, this is Jolo, and I'll see you in the next video.